got a water leak coming out of it. I've put the pressure tester on it, narrowed it down to this metal pipe here. Looks a pig's ear to get to. I'll have to remove the EGR valve. I removed the turbo pipes and the battery tray to see if it's any easier, but it doesn't look like it does much for me. But yeah.
Look the other way, sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Okay, so we've finally got the pipe out. Here it is. You can see it's very corroded. There's a hole in it, which you probably can't see on the camera, but there's a little hole in it. So to get it out, we had to take the manifold off. We just don't need to take it out, but you just need to put it back to allow you to get to slide the pipe out. We also got the EGR cooler off, which was a bit of a bitch, to be honest, to get out. There's a few bolts holding them in different locations, so 2 on that pipe, just there, 1 bolt holding him there, 1 bolt holding that pipe in, just there, 1 bolt there. There's a pipe at the bottom, a water pipe at the bottom, 2 bolts there and 2 bolts there. We've got that off. We have also got off the thermostat housing to allow us to pull the pipe towards the gearbox to be able to get him out all the way. A bit of a horrible job to do, but we've got him out now, so just wait for the new part to arrive and then I'll reassemble it. Pipe's arrived. There's the part number there. There's also a seal ring at the end of the pipe that you need with the part number. It goes straight into the water housing down the bottom. Just put the new pipe on. Got the pipe sat back in now, so just get the 22mm bolt that's the pipe on. Do that back out. So the pipe just pushes in this end. You know you've got it in enough if the 22mm bolt is lined up.